HomeRight SteamMachine, a multi-purpose steam cleaner. This is right here. This is I got this because it is my first steam cleaner. I got this because it was highly rated on Amazon, and I wasn't sure what to expect, but it was kind of eye-opener. I was kind of misconceived about steam cleaners. You have to be realistic, and things don't work like magic. Do I recommend some people to own steam cleaners? I do, for sanitary reasons. I think a lot of things should have steam passed on over them once in a while, and it does get some stains, some old stains out of kitchen cabinets. It's good for that purpose, and it's invaluable for cleaning the ovens with its copper brush. The heads of the brushes wear out after a while, and you have to replace them. The thing I hate about these steam cleaners is that they make this plastic smell. If you know of a steam cleaner that doesn't make that stink, that seems unhealthy smell, yeah, tell me about it. And it comes with an extension, so you can make the heads reach farther, and it's easier. It comes with this broom-like things, which is 3 components. You can take the components out to extend your reach bit by bit. Makes it more comfortable to clean. Like I say, it kills I forgot the percentage, but over 95 at least % of bacteria, viruses, and things like that. Yeah, you just want to run it over a lot of things at least once, just to sanitize your home. So this is very good to own.